What if I told you that making $10,000 a month with AI isn't just possible? It's happening right now by regular people just like you. No scams, no get-rich-quick schemes, just 3 real methods that work if you're willing to put in the effort. Let's break them down. First up, AI Freelancing. Businesses are begging for people who can use AI tools like ChatGPT and Midjourney. Here's how you cash in. Step 1. Head to Upwork or Fiverr and search for AI content writing or ChatGPT automation. You'll see jobs paying $500, $1,000, even $2,000 for basic AI work. Step 2. Use AI to deliver fast. For example, generate a 2,000-word SEO article in 20 minutes using ChatGPT and charge $500 for it. Step 3. Scale up. Land just 20 clients a month and boom, you're at 10K. The best part? You don't need experience, just the ability to follow instructions and let AI do the heavy lifting. Method 2 is even easier, selling AI art on Etsy and Redbubble. Step 1. Find viral trends. Think cottagecore stickers or vintage cyberpunk posters. Use free tools like Google Trends or Pinterest to see what's hot. Step 2. Generate designs in seconds with Midjourney or Leonardo.ai. No art skills needed. Step 3. Upload them to Etsy or Redbubble. Profit margins here are insane, 90% or more. Some stores make $5K a month with just 10 designs. Run cheap TikTok ads or go viral organically, and scaling to 10K is totally realistic. Finally, the biggest opportunity, AI YouTube automation. Step 1. Pick a profitable niche like AI news or Reddit story compilations. Step 2. Automate everything. Use ChatGPT to write scripts in 5 minutes, 11 Labs for human-like voiceovers, and Pictory AI to turn scripts into videos with stock footage and captions. Total cost? About $50 a month. Step 3. Monetize with ads and affiliate links. Channels in these niches easily hit 100K views per video. That's $500 per video. Post 3 times a week and you're looking at 10K a month, all while working less than a part-time job. Here's the truth. AI won't be this easy to monetize forever. The early movers are banking serious cash right now while everyone else is still thinking about it. So pick one method today, freelancing, print on demand, or YouTube, and start now. Even if you only dedicate 1 hour a day, you could be making 10K a month faster than you think. Drop a comment saying AI boss if you're ready to take action, and subscribe because next week I'm revealing how to turn these methods into 50K a month. Let's get that bag.